It was my absolute pleasure to be addressing the students of fashion, communication and business at the ISTE here today. I am extremely impressed to see the institution that has been created and the work that you're doing in the design and the innovation fields here. So it's been absolutely an honor. And I do believe that the future of fashion will be radically different from the one that we have seen this far. I don't really know how long this is going to take, but I do believe that there is a huge shift in the way we produce and in the way we sell. And I believe that brands will have to adapt in the coming years and be much more agile than we've been in the past. And what is very interesting through the conversations that we've been having with the students is that although I don't quite like the word sustainability, it's just become way too trendy for my liking. I believe the base of it is that we are creating sustainable business models. And I believe that your students are very much aware of what is going on, and that is actually quite impressive because they have the pulse on what's happening. They've been asking the right questions, and I do believe that these are the leaders of tomorrow. And I really hope that they will be the ones in, helping us to make that change. Voicing my opinion today has become a necessity. Because of the fact that I've been working in the industry for a couple of decades now. But I believe that the future belongs to them. And when you see students that enthusiastic and that curious about what they're doing and that willing to make a change, then, it's a very, very, very positive note for me to end my guest lecture here on. So thank you very much for having me.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's fresh and up and active. We're going to be starting in the next 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm purposely screaming right now so that whoever's sleepy wakes up. We're starting in the next 5 minutes, but we've got this lovely, lovely video that we want to show you. When you see that video, I want you all to embody each emotion that you feel with that. Okay, this is everything fashion. Watch that video. That's going to be the precursor to your event. And we're going to start in the next 5 minutes. So make sure you have your cups of coffee ready. You do your hair and makeup and just get all ready for us in the morning, because we are going to do the session with our videos on. So we're going to see each one of you. All right. And this is where you bring your top fashion game. I'm going to tell you who all we have on the call. You're going to be super excited, but that's after the 5-minute video. All right. Can we have the video, please, sir?
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My blood dude. Ooh, I forgot name. I can't buy where the rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent their racks on new chain. My blood dude. Ooh, I forgot name. Yeah, I can't buy no where the rain. Ooh, rather go and buy ball mains. Ayy. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Cost more than your rent. Ooh, your mom still live in a tent. Yeah, still slanging with the jets. Huh? Me and my grandma take meds. Ooh, none of this be new to me. Nope. Look, my teacher called tutory. Yeah. Bought some red bars, cost hella G's. Your airline, your company. The breath smell like some cigarettes. I'd rather fuck a from a project. They kick me out the plane off. Now Lil Pump fly private jet. Everybody scream WestJet. Lil Pump still that. 100 on wrist sipping out. Little finger wet. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My blood dude. I forgot name. I can't buy where the rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent their racks on new chain.
Green Gucci suit, 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 green Gucci suit. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit. Lamborghini doors, I wanna touch the sky. Ain't too many in the city who can roll with I. Look who came up out the mud, now he a millionaire. Try to buy up all the ghettos with a millionaire. Renzel, Ravioli, rather Ricky Ross. Touch a million 7 days and I'ma trick it off. Look, here shawty if you wanna ball. In my D-Wade jersey, so who wanna wall? Got me kicking in the door in my new Gucci boots. Whole squad Gucci down, we the Gucci crew. Cuban links, diamond dripping in the newest mix. When you see me, baby girl, just holla, do your thing. I ain't come to play no games. If you catch me with the cash, saying no names. Himalaya is a city full of cocaine. When she bending over, boy, I want the whole thing. Purple Gucci side, purple Gucci side. Nearly yo and push it, make 'em pop. Green Gucci bag, green Gucci furniture. Feathers on your head, wrapped around your neck. Green Gucci fur, green Gucci fur. Green Gucci purse, green Gucci purse. Got my Gucci clothes, Gucci stuff. Gucci on her back, she got Gucci toes up. Oh, you want the Gucci, mix it with the Gucci. Blazing is a happy, going straight to Ubi. Eddie Diamond, man, I'm in a movie. Green Gucci, Rari, alligator seat. Sliding all through days, My upper like a goon, got them Gucci K's. 100 round clubs, talking magazine. Green Gucci and La Haiti in the purple bean. Green Gucci soon made the juice. Green Gucci money make the news. 100 backwoods and a ski mask. All the talking cocaine, money bag. Green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit. Green green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Pack 100 backwood and some Gucci shoes. Green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit. Models to the cribs, keys to the coops. When he kid, then she in the loop. Red carpet invitation, dapper dance suits. 8-figure contracts like I really hoop. Blowing sick smoke like it's 420. Screaming free meat meal, count more money. Candy on the Chevy, Gucci on the top. I done seen 20 million, it'll never stop. All she wanna know is what I wanna know. And all I wanna know is can you touch your toes? Manicure and petty, better get it ready. She always call me Yagi cause a nigga petty. Fat boy gotta run a credit check. She done sent a lot of texts, I haven't read them yet. But I'm liking all the pics, liking all the pics. Shawty, she the shawty, you the I used to send her home and put her on the train. Now I keep a G and keep it on the game. Green Gucci suit, green Gucci suit. When you rockin' with a boss, you rock Gucci too. Gucci on my feet, Gucci on my Jeep. Gucci on McLaren, Gucci on the scene.
What a video, right? What does it make you feel? You see the confidence, you see the sass, you see the beauty, everything without saying a word. That's what TFRP is going to do to you. And with that, welcome to the Front Row Project. This is season 4 of the Front Row Project by ISDE. Can I request everyone to start their videos before we move on with the session? I want to see each one of you, and I want to see the excitement on each one of your faces. All right, we're getting some. Awesome. So this is the biggest event in fashion in the academic scene of the country. And we're so, so glad that each one of you is taking part in this session. Welcome to TFRP Season 4. Thank you for that. Today's session is going to be super interesting. But before we move on to tell you what's going to happen today, I just want to tell you, I want to give you a small brief introduction on what we're going to do in TFRP. So the Front Row Project is a fashion extravaganza organized by ISDE where you, can participate in hands-on workshops. You learn from industry professionals and you hear from celebrities, speakers. Think of this like a one-stop shop to everything in fashion where you get to embody that spirit of fashion, all right? This is just day 1 of day 4, and I can promise you these 4 days are going to fly. Okay, before you know it, these 4 days are going to come to an end where we're all going to, showcase our projects and our learnings. But make sure you make the most of it from day 1, hour 1. Okay, through the next 4 days, you're going to learn the A to Z of fashion, be it design, be it styling, be it communication, be it management, all of it. Okay, so it's a whole lot of excitement for each one of you. That being said, it's unfair for me to just go on and on, but I would like to introduce to you the brain behind this entire event, okay? The brain behind TFRP since 4 years, all right? We've been going on since 4 years and we've got such an amazing response like we did this year as well. We've been doing it online for last year and this year, and I think the response has been extravagant. But of course, the brain behind this entire event, she's been the leader of fashion when it comes to ISDE, but not just in the school, but also beyond, right? When you see her walk, when you see her in classes, the only thing you can think of is fashion, okay? She is the Associate Dean of the School of Business, Fashion, Business and Lifestyle. And Poonam Mishra, like I always say, you are the queen of fashion for us. Can we please have you on Spotlight?
Thank you, Krish. Thank you for such a warm welcome this morning. And I've always said the word queen, be careful when you use it on me, all right? So anyways, starting the TFRP Fest, one of the most celebrated fashion events at ISDE is finally here. And this year we're calling it the Fest because I think it's time to celebrate fashion in its renewed form. And our macro theme, that is Kintsugi, does exactly that. So sort of quoting from one of my favorite filmmakers, Tim Burton, who says that it's always good to try to see things in a weird, unconventional manner. And what better time than now because this is a time for us to embrace fashion in its most altered style. Repair, reuse, relove is the process for our TFRP Fest this year. And we are going to celebrate fashion, the whole fashion process through this TFRP Fest with each one of you. And that is what we have to keep. This is the ideology that we have to keep in mind while we are celebrating this mega fashion event, which starts from today, and we will journey through it for the next 4 days. I'm sure this is going to be a very thrilling journey to each of our participants. And for the next 4 days, you will be a part of this fabulously curated, unique experience by an entire team of experts that come to you only from ISDE. Also, with that, I welcome all of you once again to the Front Row Project, an enriching creative adventure. And now, to unravel the TFRP Fest experience a little more in detail, I'm going to invite a very special person to join me. He is the former fashion director of Elle India and, of course, Brides Today. He has styled some of the most iconic faces and people in the country, be it Sonam Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, to Ananya Pandey. He is someone who loves anything and everything to do with fashion, design, art, style, straight, disrupted, upside down. He's also, we're very fortunate because he's also the faculty and styling mentor at the School of Fashion, Lifestyle and Business. Currently, my partner in crime and the chief creative mentor for TFRP 2021, Mr. Mohan Neelkantan. Mohan, most welcome to this event this morning. How are you doing?
Very well. Thank you, Poonam, as always, for that warm introduction. And partners in crime, indeed, that's what we are. And a warm welcome to all the young kids out there. Okay, so as Poonam suggested, the macro theme this season, this year, is Kintsugi. Basically, it actually just simply means in Japanese, golden repair. So basically what it is it is a technique where they take broken ceramic and make it whole again by using mainly gold, but other metals are also used. In fact, the value actually increases because of that. So it's literally golden repair. So that's Kintsugi. But what we have done actually is we can't have all of you just tackle one big macro theme. So since it is old becoming new, we decided to give you micro themes or sub themes, like we would like to call it. And we are from a generation where we grew up with certain things, and you are from a generation where we would actually like to see your take on it. So the Gen X and Gen Y favorites like circus, old Hollywood, musicals, old Bollywood. These are the very many themes which we have given to your mentors, who will then actually inspire you. We want to see the Gen Z version of this take on nostalgia. So that's what we are going to do for the next 4 days. It's going to be very, very exciting. You have some fabulous mentors and some amazing sub-themes. Over to you, Poonam.
Thank you, Mohan, and thank you for so beautifully explaining the larger theme and how you can translate it to many other aspects, and also personalize it and see where it resonates the most with each one of you. Of course, we have it all very beautifully planned for everyone, but like I said, this is really, thoughtfully crafted and created by the ISDE team of fashion. And and therefore it's now time for me to introduce you to my second accomplice in crime. She is instrumental in bringing the TFRP Fest to all of you. Let me welcome Miss Nisha Chanda. And Nisha is a fashion evangelist. She is an educationist, an influencer, serving the fashion industry over a decade. She has an expertise in design and business of fashion, and she's been associated with many national and international fashion companies, brands, many designers in almost every sector of fashion. She's very passionate educationist to all you fashion enthusiasts. She loves to instill a lot of entrepreneurial skills, which is extremely important into her students. And it's been almost almost 2 decades, right? Almost 2 decades and almost 17 institutes that Nisha has been teaching. Nisha also, acts as a freelance business development manager for upcoming and established designers in the country. She's really well traveled within India and internationally. And with this enormous experience, she really wants to bring in, this fabulous, gift of holistic fashion to each and every student of ours. With this global mindset and expertise, Nisha has also brought in a fantastic crew of design mentors who are really key to this TFRP Fest, because you see, they are your North Star. They are the ones who will actually guide you through this entire experience. So I'm very, very proud of the, entire battery of fashion design mentors that we have got, thanks to Nisha. And Nisha, I think it's time now to pass on the mic to you, because, now is the time for everyone to get to know who their mentors are, right? So let's hear it from you, Nisha. How are you doing this morning?
Absolutely, all set and ready. Let's TFRP, guys. I think we've been waiting to meet all of you guys, and it's such a great pleasure. First of all, thank you so much, Poonam, for such warm welcome. And I would like to add this little one thing, that during TFRP, I think my and Krish's job is to be the fashion police. We're going to, keep hopping into your classrooms, and we're going to check what you guys are doing, motivate you all, and probably get a little insight of everything competitive within you all. So guys, I hope you guys are very excited, and eager to listen more about your mentors. Should we start? Okay, fantastic. So guys, as very well Poonam ma'am said, that, we've curated some excellent mentors, from the industry within our ISD environment as well. And all of these mentors come with great set of experiences. Till now, you've been added to a WhatsApp group. Your mentors as well as your student mentors are going to be a part of that WhatsApp group. So any kind of a communication that you want to have, you can definitely feel free to text on that WhatsApp group. For any kind of administrative help or any guidance that you need, you can always feel free to get in touch with me and Krish. Right, Krish? Okay. So moving ahead to our mentors, our ever first mentor. Do we have drum rolls now or a little later?
We will be having them.
Okay. Moving on to the first group, which is the WhatsApp group number 1. Guys, your mentor is none other but our very own Arun Lakra, and the theme for your WhatsApp group is Tribe Couture. Sharing a little bit of information about Arun Lakra. With an over 20 plus years of experience in industry and academic exposure, Arun is a fashion design graduate from NIFT, Delhi, and has worked with famed designers late Sandy Starkman, and thereafter went to pursue his post-graduation in textile design from NID Ahmedabad. He has worked with brands like Raymond, Future Group, Lee Cooper, etc. He has also been, teaching a lot of important subjects in the academic industry, which is in design concepts, research, design processes, trend forecasting, surface ornamentation, crafts and culture study, and portfolio development. He has also taken a research and design project for the Madhya Pradesh State Emporium called as Mrigyani, and Arun has also been a Staff and Educational Development Association certificate by Brigham City University to his own credit. Guys, I mean, there's so much. I end up always fumbling with, such great, mentors. So guys, please give a big round of applause for none other than Arun Lakra, the mentor from Group 1. And I would also like to mention our very own student champion who's going to assist Arun throughout this journey of hand-holding you guys in all things fashion is Devika Singh. Okay, I think let's have a word with Arun. Arun, what do you think? How are we all set and ready for the TFRP season 4?
So thanks, Nisha. Oh my, that is like a long profile. Anyhow, so I'm also excited because this is my first time also with TFRP. I always fumble with that, and I'm excited to also know what students come with, their ideas and creativity. So that would be interesting because I think as an educator, we also get to see what students have to, teach us we get to learn from them as well. So I'm looking forward for the next 4 long hours, as we say in design, when we do creative, long hours of working and let the creative juices flow. And of course, just do and have fun doing it rather than stressing yourself ki acha hai ya maza nahi aa raha. But have fun, something or the other will come out, and obviously it's a learning process. So thank you for making me a mentor, Poonam. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Arun. It was so good to hear from you, and I'm sure the entire group 1 is all set and ready to really grow under your guidance. Guys, moving on to our next mentor, who is the mentor for group number 2 on your WhatsApp group. The mentor's name is Ananya Singhania. Ananya Singhania is the theme mentor for is a mentor for the theme Picasso Club Night. And a little bit about Ananya is she's completed her graduation in fashion and apparel designing with the purpose to create sustainable garments and promote upcycling across the country. Isn't that like a need of the hour? She started the label Ananya Singhania in 2019. They promote Indian artisans and handicrafts because they believe that the products that they are creating are the best examples of upcycling and sustainability. I would like to drop a little bomb out here that you will soon be having a workshop with Ananya Singhania. So guys, please give a big round of applause for your mentor Ananya Singhania for group number 2. Out here, I would also like to mention that a student champion who's going to be assisting Ananya throughout this journey of 3-4 days of TFRP is Kesha Bajaj. Hi, Ananya. So what is the secret ingredient for TFRP this year? Ananya, I think you'll have to unmute. Yeah.
Hi, am I audible?
Absolutely, loud and clear.
Hi guys, so I hope you're all excited, and trust me, upcycling is one of the most interesting things you do, and you're gonna have so much fun.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Thanks a lot. And moving on to our third mentor. Our third mentor is none other but our very own Pooja Kaloy, who's a part of the full-time ISD faculty team. And she is going to be the mentor for the theme Old Bollywood Cinema. And a little bit about Pooja Kaloy is, just give me a minute. Pooja Kaloy has done her master graduation in apparel designing from NID. And she's also a fashion design graduate from NIFT, Chennai. And she holds specialized diploma in textile technology from Anna University, Chennai. She has won the Best Graduating Design Collection Award, NIFT 2012. Showcased her design collection in Northeast Fashion Week, New Delhi 2012. She later joined Mahindra Retail Private Limited, Mumbai as an executive maternity wear designer for their in-house brand Kriti. Pooja is currently a full-time faculty at ISD School of Design and Innovation, Mumbai. She practices design research in textile materials, well-being integrated with sustainability and circularity of the system and inclusive clothing for special needs. Wow. Pooja is the mentor for your group number 3, and she's going to mentor the theme Old Bollywood Cinema. Please give a big round of applause for Pooja Kaloy. Welcome, Pooja. So what is the heat of competition like? What do you think? What is the secret ingredient for your group going to be? Pooja, you'll have to unmute.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Nisha. That's a long description introduction about me. Yes, I'm so much excited this year as well because it's my 4th TFRP, the Front Row project, and I think with every year, like, we get a very interesting student that join us. Right, so this year also I'm waiting for them. I mean, very exciting students, and yeah, and I think the theme, the main sub theme is a very need of the hour, and let's see how the students are taking it forward. And I would say, enjoy it. Don't take it as something that you are getting a assignment. No, it's your project, right? It's not ours, it's your project. Might be we're learning something from you all, right? So let's learn together. And so I would say all the best to all of you.
Absolutely, Pooja. I think the entire group 3 is already set and ready and on fire to really, grow under your guidance. And I would like to mention that a student champion who's going to be assisting Pooja Kaloy for group number 3 theme Old Hollywood Cinema is Anisha Bhatt. Okay. Hi, Anisha. Moving on to our next group, group number 4 on WhatsApp, wherein you have your mentor is none other than one of my favorites also, which is Jai Ranjit. And the theme that you have is Picasso Club Night. A little bit about Jai that I would love to share is Jai Ranjit has a bachelor's degree, BA in Philosophy and Political Science from Jai Hind College, Mumbai. He's a self-taught artist and teacher of art and design with over a decade full-time artist and 10 years of teaching experience. He teaches art and design at ISDI, conducts workshops, paints, creates prints, does photography and writes, and even does a lot of live performances. So guys, please give a big round of applause to Jai Ranjit, who's your mentor for group number 4, which is Team Picasso. So Jai, how do you think is going to be the competition this year for season 4?
It's going to be insane. It's going to be so much fun because everyone's got something new to bring to the table, something interesting to bring to the table. And I'm very excited because Picasso is one of my favorite artists. So we really get to play a lot, bring the art side of things out with fashion and do some crazy stuff. So looking forward to it.
Fantastic. We are so excited to look forward to, see all your mentors doing such amazing job with our new, upcoming designers and stylists today. And I would also like to mention that our student champion, the student mentor for Jai's group, which is group number 4, is Anvaya Namjoshi. Hi, Anvaya Namjoshi, are you here? Hi, so good to have you. I would like to mention this to all our students out here today that all these student champions and mentors are the sophomore students of, fashion, communication and styling program. They are so experienced. So, it's not only just your mentors, but also student mentors who's going to really help you grow. So I'm quite jealous of this, man. There's so much of information and great talent that you're going to be surrounded with. Thank you so much, Jai. Moving on to our next group, which is WhatsApp group number 5. And our mentor for this group is none other than Petula Brown. The theme for your WhatsApp group is Fairy Tale Life. A little bit about Petula is Petula Brown is a celebrity and pageant stylist. She works as an in-house stylist with the Miss India organization and curates the looks for the winners. She styles celebrities for red carpet events, designs customized wedding gowns for brides, and curates their trousseau. Guys, please give a big round of applause for Petula Brown, group number 5, theme Fairy Tale Life.
Thank you so much, Nisha. I'm so excited for this year as well. This is my second year and I'm so enthusiastic about what the students are going to bring to the table. And I'm going to have fun with all of them.
Wow, I think, it's such a great, honor to have all of you mentors with such great experience. Thank you so much, Petula. And guys, on this note, I would like to mention our student champion and mentor who's going to assist Petula for group number 5 is Khushi Dalmia. Hi, Khushi. Moving on to our next group, which is group number 6. The heat is really getting on. Huh? I mean, I can see so much of competition already. Okay, moving on to group number 6, we have none other but our very own mentor, Nishank Sainani, who's going to be the theme mentor for Musical Musings. And for Nishank, I would really like to mention that Nishank Sainani is a fashion stylist and a design consultant. He's also the founder of startup fashion company, Let's Talk Fashion. He has done his bachelor's degree of fashion design and technology from Hampstead College of Fashion, Hyderabad. He has done his master's diploma in fashion psychology and styling from London University. Nishank Sainani is a very well-known name when it comes to a lot of fashion weeks and fashion events like Lakme Fashion Week, FDCI India Fashion Week, India Beach Fashion Week, Asian Designer Week, Couture Runway, and many more. So guys, please give a big round of applause to Nishank Sainani, mentor of group number 6 for the theme Musical Musings.
Thank you, Nisha, for this amazing introduction.
Yes,
thank you so much. I'm really excited. This is my second year this is my second year of TFRP, and I'm super excited, and I'm really, like, and I'm really excited to, groom the new batch, and like, we're gonna have so much fun, and just guys get geared up now. The competition gonna be really hard.
The competition is going to be really high. We're so looking forward to see this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nishank, for being a part of it. And I would
Thank you.
also like to mention that our student champion mentor, along with Nishank, is Dhwani Kodiar. Hi, Dhwani. Moving on to our next group, guys, which is group number 7. And the mentor for this group is none other but one of my favorites also, Pushti Singhal. Pushti is going to mentor the theme Circus Circus for you guys, which is for group number 7. And a little bit about Pushti is she's the founder and creative director of Zari Embroideries. Pushti is an haute couture embroidery specialist, creative consultant for surface design and embroideries. She consults various designers internationally in building their collection and heads the creative department of Zari Embroidery Exports. Her work has been recognized by many well-known designers, including Jean-Paul Gaultier, Manish Malhotra, and many more. Her forte is bridal and couture gowns, and she teaches the subject very passionately. Welcome on board Pushti Singhal, who is going to be the mentor for group number 7, Circus Circus.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you for having me here.
Pushti, so what is the secret? What is going to be the secret ingredient for your group in this competition?
So Nisha, the thing is, every year in TFRP, and this is my second year, every time I meet a new batch of students and they have such creative ideas, because especially when we are doing a virtual show and everyone are confined at home, so utilizing and bringing in that creativity with what you have at home is in itself is so exciting to see, and especially with young people, what they're going to do is just going to be a surprise for all of us. And especially the reason I chose the theme Circus Circus is because I have created a collection of gowns with the theme of circus, but this time I'm more excited to see what students come up with.
Absolutely, Pushti. We ourselves are really excited to see some amazing work coming from all of your groups and students. On this note, I would like to mention that our student champion mentor for Pushti's group is Twinkle Raval. Hi, Twinkle. So good to have our student champions on board. It's such a brilliant feeling I'm sure everybody is going to benefit so much. The students not only have their mentors, but also like somebody that they can absolutely resonate with, they can connect with immediately. And thank you to all the student mentors who are on board with us this year. Moving on to the next group is group number 8. And we have some really famous influencer out here. We have our next mentor is Mayur Rajput for group number 8, and the theme that he's going to be mentoring is old Hollywood cinema. A little bit about Mayur that I would love to share is Mayur is a fashion artist and social media content creator. He was amongst the top 10 finalists of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 1. Yes, you heard me right. Snapchat Phone Swap India Season 1, one of the office influencers of brand Myntra. And along with it has worked with a lot of brands like Calvin Klein, Samsung, Garnier, etc. And someone who has a whooping follower list on Instagram. So please welcome with a big round of applause, Mayur Rajput, who's going to be the mentor of Group 8, Old Hollywood Cinema.
Thank you so much, Nisha, for a lovely introduction.
Hi, Mayur, Aka the Boho guy. So what do you think is your secret ingredient for this competition?
I think we're just going to have a lot of fun. This is my second year, and last time also I used the same strategy, I met all the students and then we had a lot of fun because fashion is like a therapy for me, and that's what I tell my students that, just have fun with clothes and styling, and there you go. You have a great look with yourself. And this year, since it's sustainability and recycling and upcycling, I think it's going to be super amazing. I can't wait to meet my students.
Likewise, we absolutely second that, Mayur. I think Poonam, Mohan, me, Krish, I think the whole team TFRP is really waiting, for the last grand finale where we will see some mind-blowing designs coming on the ramp. So Thank you so much, Mayur, for being on board. I would like to mention that the student mentor, the student champion who's going to assist Mayur Rajput for this journey is Dipanita Chaudhary. Hi, Dipanita. Moving on to our next group, which is group number 9 on WhatsApp. I would like to mention that the next mentor is also a very own, part of the ecosystem of ISD, which is our internal faculty, Anwar Khan, who's the mentor for group 9 and who is going to mentor the theme Y2K to TikTok. I'm so excited to be a part of this, honestly. A little bit about Anwar Khan is that he's a social entrepreneur, design educator, sustainability consultant. Soon after his graduation in information technology, he took up fashion design to pursue his passion at LS Raheja. He recently completed his MBA from NMIMS. He was one of the designers selected by Myntra Fashion Incubator, where he found his sustainable women's wear label SUO, which specializes in zero waste clothing. He specializes in teaching fashion sustainability, fashion market segment, menswear, women's wear, kids wear, and had been, a part of the ISD core teaching team. So please give a big round of applause to Anwar Khan, who's the mentor for group number 9, Y2K to TikTok. I believe Anwar is currently not here with us. Could be a
He's just going to join us again. He had some net issues. He got dropped out, but he's going to join us soon.
Surely, I'm sure the students are very excited to see him already, once we start their respective rooms. And on this note, I would also like to mention that a student champion and mentor is, for this group, which is group number 9, assisting Anwar, is Khushi Ganatra. Hi, Khushi. Khushi, why don't you speak on behalf of your industry mentor? Are you excited?
Definitely, I'm very excited. It's going to be a whole lot of madness in the next 4 days. And I can't wait to meet you guys.
Wow, brilliant. Thank you so much, Khushi. Thank you once again to all the student mentors also who've come on board with us to help our mentors and help all the students to come up with such exciting and great work at the end of the day. So moving on to our last group. I mean, there's so much competition, but I'm going to now announce about the last group. And the mentor for this group is none other than Aditya Kotwal, who is going to be the theme mentor for Reboot Royalty. Who is going to mentor the theme Reboot Royalty. A little bit about Aditya, and he's a great friend as well. Fashion show choreographer, curator of shows and fashion events, and styling assistant consultant. Has been a part of styling and mentorship program for few institutes and grooming academies, and designer curator for fashion shows and fashion weeks, like Times Fashion Week. Guys, please give a big round of applause to Aditya Kotwal, who is the mentor for group number 10, Reboot Royalty. Hi, Aditya. How tough is going to be the competition this year?
Oh, it's going to be extremely tough. And if we are talking about the themes, if we are talking about the entire vibe of the Front Row project, it's going to be amazing. Because this is the second time around, and few of the mentors and all of us have done this last year, and now we know how it works, and it's going to be extremely excited, and I cannot wait to start this extravaganza.
Absolutely, likewise, Aditya. Thank you so much for coming on board, and we are super excited to see the work. I think me, Poonam, Mohan, and everyone else, we are all set and ready. I think Krish as well, we all set and ready to hop into each and every room and see what's really going on. But thank you so much. And on this note, I would like to mention that the student mentor and champion who will assist Aditya for this group number 10 is Rakshita Nahata. Hi, Rakshita. Thank you so much. On this note, guys, thank you to all the student mentors. Thank you all the mentors for coming on board. We are so excited to look forward to see the great work that your students are going to create. Guys, this is going to be such a great experience for you all because they will handhold you throughout the 4 days. You will be creating such amazing, beautiful work and all things fashion. So as me and Krish, we always write on the WhatsApp groups, stay stylish and be your best. Over to you, Krish.
Thank you so much. For this. I think all our students are super excited now. But what I'm going to do is very quickly, I'm going to present a couple of slides, and this is for all the students who may not know which group they're in. We're having their names that are going to be displayed on the screen right now. You'll be seeing it. We're going to go group wise. So feel free to take screenshots of this slide, and we have your Zoom ID as well. For all the students who are not, whose names are not in this slide, don't worry, you can get in touch with us and we'll make sure that you're in your particular groups properly. And of course, we have our WhatsApp groups as well, where we'll be posting your room details on it too. So let me quickly go on to the first theme, which is Tribe Couture and Warrior. Mentor is Mr. Arun Lakra. I'm going to read out the student names. Just make sure you all pay attention. All right. We have Aditi Shukla, we have Anushka Kadam, Atulya Manishankar, Bhavishya Ramchandani, Jia Patel, Nishta Ratnani, Paridhi Dedia, Ria Upadhyay, Rujul Shah, Sanika Dhanu, Sanya Oswal, Vanshika Verma, Vasvi Agarwal, Yana Lotia, and Zeel Madhani. The second theme, the mentor is Ananya Singhania. We have students Arya Badama, Anushka Patel, Barsha Podar, Bhavna, Ishita Rane, Ishwari Chaudhary, Mansi Parman, Miti, Muskan Paras Rampuria, Nandita Nair, Niti Goradia, Sanvi Parmar, Samiksha Kumble, Sohani Gothankar, and Tanisha. The third group is mentored by Pooja Kolai, and the students are Arpita Ahirwar, Kavya Shah, Nishi Jain, Nishita Gupta, Nivedana GN, Pankuri Agarwal, Sanjana Shah, Sanskriti, Shivam Raj, Shubhangini Gupta, Srishti Lal, Tanisha Shetty, Vaibhavi, Varsha, Veda, and Vilsha. The fourth theme is mentored by Professor Jay Ranjit, and we have Aditi, Agrima, Harshita, Heer, Kushi, Naomi, Prisha, Riddhi, Ritika, Saili, Sanya, Shania, Shifali, Cheryl, Sridevi, and Tia. Okay, y'all can recognize your names as well on the group. Please make sure you'll take screenshots wherever y'all think I'm going very quickly. The fifth one is by Petula Brown. We have students Akriti, Ananya, Anushka, Bidipto, Charvi, Disha, Hitanshi, Himani, Iti, Kashish, Khushi, Lalima, Mansi, Pranali, Tanushri, and Yashvi. Theme 6 is mentored by Nishant, and the students are Aditi, Amal, Aradhya, Asmi, Kaustubh, Ketki, Khushi, Mihir, Nishant, Prachi, Preksha, Shriya, Simar, Simran, Tanisha, and Tejas. So everyone, please make sure that wherever y'all see your names, y'all join those groups. Make sure y'all join the Zoom links as well. And of course, if y'all have any doubts, any problems, please reach out to either of us from the ESD team. We're also available to chat on the group. The seventh theme is mentored by Pushti, and the students are Arushi, Arnav, Pavleen, Chaitanya, Krishna, Madhu, Mrunmay, Nandini, Rinika, Shivani again, Saundarya, Tanya, Vandita, and Varuni. The eighth theme, mentored by Mayur, is Arhi, Aditi, Alex, Anisha, Disha, Divya, Drishti, Elena, Freya, Jayanti, Mehek, Mansi, Niharika, Pragya, Prajwala, Sai, Srimanya, and Vidhi. Okay, these are the students of group 8. We have 2 more groups to go. The 9th is mentored by Professor Anwar. Professor Anwar has just joined us, and you'll be seeing him very shortly in your room as well, Zoom room. The students are Astha, Aditya, Ananya, Bhavishri, Chaitra, Devika, Drupadi, Harsha again, that's Harsha Agarwal and another Harsha, Isha, Mehek, Mauli, Mridula, Nidhi, Prince, Radhika, Sunena, and Yesha. And the last theme that is mentored by Aditya Kotwal, the students are Archie, Arya, Bitika, Daisy, Ekala, Isha, Jasmeher, Palak, Riva, Ruhi, Shagun, Shravani, Simran, Sohagi, Sparshika, Tanisha, Vanshika, and Vidhi. So these are all the students, these are all the rooms, and these are all the names. I'm sorry if I may have mispronounced your names, but we'll be getting to know each other very, very soon. And of course, for everyone whose names may not have been announced, there may be some tech error, y'all could not hear me, or all sorts of things. Please make sure you'll reach out to us on the WhatsApp group. Each of y'all have been assigned a WhatsApp group, but if y'all have not, again, you can reach out to us and we'll make sure that y'all get assigned a WhatsApp group and a theme room as well. Now, for the big launch, can we have our team on Spotlight? We'll quickly get everyone on Spotlight so that we can flag off the event. wherever you'll face any doubts, please let us know and we'll be happy to get all of those questions answered.
So shall I just jump in, Krish, for a moment?
Please, please.
Flag off the event. And I just want to tell everybody that, you know, what we're really looking out today is, first thing is to get to know each other. You know, the mentors, the participants. It's always great to get to know your mentor and have develop an understanding and develop a great rapport, because they're going to be the ones who are going to lead you through this journey. And then, of course, getting to understand your themes, because that's what is going to create fabulous work out of you. That's where the magic lies. And so ask questions, get to know that really well, soak into it. And then, of course, the next is to understand the whole design process. This design process is extremely intriguing, but we're going to, you know, unravel that to you. And it's also very, you know, it's very dynamic. So everybody interprets it in its own way. So be open, experiment as much as you want, ask questions, explore together, learn. And of course, that is when you will also get to understand something called as a mood board. You know, the mood board is your gateway to everything that follows afterwards. And of course, then many other areas of fashion which are which helps you explore new fashion, new designs, you know, your silhouettes, your textures, your new materials, forms, all of that will be achieved. So there is a very strict, clear guideline and a deliverable for this day. Your mentors know it, and they will obviously support you in this roller coaster called TFRP, but you will have to meet those deliverables. So now on, have a lot of fun, but make sure that you achieve the deliverables of the day. That's what I just wanted to say before we flag off this event open, right? So is that, shall we just wish all of them luck and let's start TFRP?
Absolutely. I think this is when we launch the new season, that is season 4 of TFRP. We hope each one of you has a lot of fun today. Today is going to be very, very hectic. You're going to know the schedules in your rooms once you'll join. And we look forward to seeing you through the day as well. Thank you so much for joining us in this main room. We will be seeing you very, very soon. But for now, y'all will have to join the link that is sent to y'all on the WhatsApp group and the link that y'all saw on the screen as well. Please make sure y'all join those and let's get TFRP started. And Nisha ma'am, what is the one line that you say for our students?
Let's TFRP, Krish.
Let's TFRP. Mohan has become a ghost suddenly. Look, he's disappeared.
He's looking over all of us.
Almost all over, the omnipresent right now. Right, Mohan? Okay, guys. All the best.
All the best, people. Looking forward to see you all in your respective theme rooms. Please sign in with your login details. And if there's any difficulty, feel free to write me and to Krish on your respective WhatsApp groups.
Summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar. Strawberries on a summer evening. Baby, you're the end of June. I want your belly and that summer feeling. like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want your belly, a feeling.
Okay, we're done. I think we have all the kids out now. And
I saw this going out. Oh God. I just wanted to go out and dance.